Hey crafty friends, it's Melinda from mypapercrafting.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this really cute little oval treat box featuring the Rinea Blush Starstruck foiled paper, and that comes from the Princess Variety Pack. And the Variety Pack has the beautiful silver, lavender, and blush selection, and you get 2 of each. You get 2 of the glossy, 2 of each of the glossy, and 2 of each of the Starstruck. And then for the top, I used this really cute Joy Claire Doodle Flower stamp set to create the top. And then I have a corresponding card that I used the same product for, and it's a little fancy flip fold card. And again, I used the really cute Doodle Flower stamp set from Joy Claire. But today we're just going to go ahead and create the oval box. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I cut out the main pieces, and I'm using this craft cardstock for this sample. And this is the larger of the 2. So this is the side of the box, the main body of the box. We'll set this aside. And this is the smallest oval, and this will be the bottom of the box. So what I did was I went ahead and I folded all of these on the score marks, and then to get the paper to kind of curl, I just used my bone folder and I just kind of ran it along the edge, kind of like when you want to curl ribbon for a balloon. Same concept, and that helps the paper take on that shape of that curl. Okay, so that's how we did that. Okay, so here's my completed box, and as you can see, there's a little bit of play between the lid and the base, and the reason for that is so that you can have room for layers. Oops. You can have room for layers of paper to decorate your box without encumbering the lid. So like here, I have the white cardstock, and then I have the blush foiled Starstruck card paper to finish it off. And as you can see, the lid fits nicely. And so if you would like the oval SVG file for the box, I will have that on the Rinea blog post, and I will have the link to that in the info section of the video below. And if you like the video, please take a moment to hit the like button and to subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. And leave me a comment. I love to read them, and I try to reply to everyone. And don't forget to head over to my blog as well, mypapercrafting.com, where I have a whole lot of other stuff that I'm working on and inspiration hopefully for you. And also hit me up on Instagram. I'm starting to post my stuff there, and I'm going to post some free files, links there only, so you definitely want to go ahead and find me there as well. But until the next time, you have a wonderfully crafty day.